Let's solve a linear inequality step by step using what we have learned so far. Step 1. Simplify both sides. Expand the brackets and combine like terms. Tip: treat the inequality sign just like an equal sign at this step. Step 2. Isolate x. Subtract 2 from both sides to leave x alone on one side. Remember, subtracting the same number does not flip the sign. Step 3. Divide by the coefficient of x. Divide both sides by 2. That gives us x less than 4. Tip: the sign stays the same because we are dividing by a positive number. Step 4. Represent on the number line. Draw an open circle at 4 because 4 is not included, and point the arrow to the left to show all the numbers less than 4. Now, we'll solve an inequality that involves multiplying or dividing by a negative number, which requires flipping the sign. Step 1. Isolate x. Subtract 5 from the both sides to get x alone. Step 2. Divide by negative. Now divide both sides by -3. Remember, dividing by a negative flips the inequality sign. Step 3. Represent on a number line. Draw a closed circle at -2 because -2 is included, and point the arrow to the left to show all numbers less than or equal to -2. Let's practice representing inequalities on a number line. This is where students often make small mistakes. Question: a student drew a number line for x greater than 1. Can you spot any mistakes? Take a moment to check. Is the circle at 1 open or closed? Which direction should the arrow go? For x greater than 1, the circle should be at 1 and must be open because 1 is not included. The arrow should point to the right to show all numbers greater than 1. Remember, always start at the number. Open circle means number not included. Closed circle means number included. It's a turn to practice. Solve each inequality, then represent the solution on a number line. Tips: Step 1. Simplify both sides. Step 2. Isolate the variable on one side. Step 3. Apply the flip rule if multiplying or dividing by a negative. Step 4. Draw the number line with an open or closed circle as appropriate. Now, let's go through each question in detail. Let's solve the first inequality. Step 1. We need to divide both sides by -4 to isolate y. Step 2. Apply the flip rule. Remember, dividing by a negative number flips the inequality sign. That gives us y less than -3. Did you get y less than -3? If yes, great. If not, double check the sign flip rule. Step 3. Represent on the number line. Draw an open circle at -3 because -3 is not included, and point the arrow to the left to show all numbers less than -3. Now, let's solve the second inequality. Step 1. Expand the bracket. Multiply 2 with each term inside the bracket. Step 2. Subtract 6 from both sides to keep x alone. Step 3. Divide by the coefficient of x. Divide both sides by 2 to get x greater than 2. Step 4. Represent on the number line. Draw an open circle at 2 and point the arrow to the right to show all numbers greater than 2. Did you get it right? Lastly, the third question. Step 1. Subtract 3 from both sides. Move the constant to the right side. Step 2. Multiply both sides by 2. Eliminate the fraction by multiplying both sides by 2. That gives us x greater than or equal to 8. Step 3. Represent on the number line. Draw a closed circle at 8 because 8 is included, and point the arrow to the right to show all numbers greater than or equal to 8. Did you get it right? Next, we'll move on to real-life problems involving linear inequalities to apply these skills in context.
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.